What's up, y'all? So I just wanted to talk to y'all today about something I'm seeing happening a little too often, right? So I know the feeling. I'm in my 20s too, right? You want a nice car, you want this, you want that, but we don't usually think about what we need into the future. We're not thinking, hey, this might cripple me into my future. This $600-700 payment I'm paying for the next 5 years might cripple my future. I might not be able to go and get an apartment or a house, or I might not be able to pay and do what I need to for my kid or this or that. We got to start making better decisions with our finances, fellas. I know this is a car page. I know we love cars, but at the same time, if you want to get cars and keep cars, you got to have good credit and good income. Remember I said that. You don't want to be moving around here with limited, like you have limited way to move. You can't go get this car. You can't go pay for this. You don't have the skills to go get the job. Why would you want to deal with that? Let's focus on doing the right thing so we could get to where we need to get, fellas and ladies. Just wanted to speak some good insight to y'all today because I remember being younger too. I've been through it before. I remember my first car. I was 20 or 19 or something like that. I bought it with no license and I was paying $600 a month just for the car. The insurance on top of the car to take the car out was $900. And I was working by myself. So I was like, you know what? I could do this because I had a good job. I was doing construction. I just left college. I was like, you know what? I'm going to have the money to do this. And that's a messed up way to think. You can't think like that because we can't predict what the future got for us. Only God knows. Only God knows what the future got for us. So we can't take it upon ourselves to say, you know what? I'm going to do this because I'm going to be good or I'm going to have this job. No, you might not have that job. You might not be in that relationship. You might not have those savings no more. But does that mean to quit? No, bro. No. You got to do the right thing from the first time. So when this stuff come and trickle down the line, you prepared for it. That's what my dad always told me. It's always good to have two than one. Make sure you remember that. I wish I had somebody back then to talk to me like this, to tell me, little bro, make these decisions so you could be better. Like, I wouldn't have went to college first. I don't went straight to trade school. Thank God I went to trade school, but I don't went straight to trade school. Because electrical has opened some doors for me that I've never, ever seen. And now I'm doing plumbing and mechanical with electrical. It's crazy. You got to give yourself time to blossom. When you plant a seed, it doesn't grow the same day. Yeah, man. I just want y'all to do good. I just want to do good. I hope like there's more younger dudes out there that's making the right decisions for their futures, man. Cause I'm coming to the end of my 20s right now. I'm pretty good with where I'm at right now, but at the same time I could have done better. But then I'm thinking, am I being greedy? I'm not being greedy. I just want better for myself because now I'm a father. I wasn't thinking like this before, so it's hard to change your mindset over. You get it? Yeah, because I'll be damned. My kid's not going hungry. No way. As long as I have faith, 2 hands, 2 legs, my kid's not going hungry. Ever. And I stand by that. Yeah, bro. And I say kids, I'm about to have another one, y'all. I didn't even get to tell y'all yet, but I'm about to have another one. Yeah, I've been going to work 2 times. But yeah, man, back to the topic. I just want to see y'all do good. Drop a comment, drop a like. Let me know how y'all doing today. It's tuned.